Hi, this is Monojit and welcome to our channel SQL Helper. In this video, we are going to look into the steps on how to create a database backup using SQL Server Management Studio. So without any further ado, let's start with the steps. Quickly open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to your database instance. Go to Object Explorer and select Database. Expand the database and select the database you want to create a backup. Right click on the database and select Tasks and select Backup. Backup database window will pop up. Go to Source section and make sure that the database name is selected correctly. Select the backup type. Here you will find two options, full and differential. Full option will allow you to create a complete full backup file of your database. For differential, there is little complication. Complication in the sense, for creating a differential backup, you must have to have a full backup file already existing in your backup set. Suppose we have created a full database backup file the day before yesterday. And today we are going to create a differential backup file. What it will do is, since the last backup that has been created for this referred database, only the things that has changed during this period of time will be put into the differential backup file. So the differential backup file that you are going to create is going to have a data from day before yesterday till this moment. So that is the difference between a full backup and a differential backup. But a differential backup can only be initiated if you already have in place a full backup which is not expired. Select Copy Only Backup option. This option is really critical while creating an ad hoc database backup file. If you have a maintenance plan in place, what it will do is it will not consider this current database backup file as the part of your current backup set. Suppose you have a database maintenance plan in place. As per the plan, a full database backup file is created on every Friday night at 12 AM, and every alternate day you create a differential backup till the next Friday. The backup files of these 7 days is a backup set. In between this maintenance plan, suppose you are creating a ad hoc database backup on Monday or a Tuesday morning. If you do not select this option, the last full backup file that you have created on Friday night will be obsoleted, and your backup set will consider this full backup file as the current full backup file available for the backup set. For a learning or a development purpose, this option is not that important or critical for us, but for production environments, these are very critical options while taking a backup. Let us move to the next option, that is destination. Select the current destination that you have highlighted in this section. Click on Remove. That will remove the current destination path that has been attached to this database backup process, and click on Add button. This will enable you to select the destination folder in which your database backup file is going to be created. Make sure that the database extension is .bak, and once done, click OK. So now we have our backup path added into the destination. Let us quickly move to the next tab, that is Media Options. Under Reliability section, select Verify Backup when finished. Let's quickly move to the next tab, that is Backup Options. In the Backup Options tab, do not make any changes to these top options. In the Set Backup Compression drop-down, select Compress Backup if you want to create a compressed backup file. Once done, click on OK. Our database backup has been created. Let us quickly go to the folder location. Here we can see our latest database backup file has been created. Our database backup process has been completed. Now I'll show you how to create a database backup using only 2 lines of SQL code. Let's quickly open a new query window. Let me zoom a little bit. Write backup space database space provide the database name and space 2 space disk equals to, then within a single quote provide the folder destination along with the backup file name itself. Make sure that the file name is having .bak. In the next line, we will add the compression. Write with compression. Let me put a go statement and put everything in a single batch. Let me execute the query. Okay, here we have received an error. From the error message, I think I have given something wrong in the folder destination. Let me quickly go to the folder location itself. So our folder name is downloads ending with S. Let me quickly update the folder path and run the query once again. Our database backup has been created. Let's go to the folder location. Our latest database backup file has been created. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.